Hello friends, I'm Ahmad and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on affiliate marketing for beginners. So let's get started. Okay friends, why affiliate marketing is the best earning source on internet? The reason is since world came into being, the best earning source was business and the people were selling the product and earning the commissions and uh, as internet came around 20 years ago and now everything is gone online. So now there are many companies online. They have many products, but there are very few marketers that are selling those products. Uh, Only competition is if we create it for ourselves. Otherwise, there is no competition in the market. So affiliate marketing is the best source on internet because it is very easy to start, as you don't have to create your own products. There are many companies out there that you can affiliate with them and you can promote their products. I'm gonna show you the best technique how to promote the products, and if you learn this technique, you are product independent. You can promote any product on the internet. So okay, let's see. So here we will follow the four steps. The first one is how to select the best product, and the second one is how to create a landing page, and number third is email marketing, and fourth one is traffic. Everyone in the industry is just running towards the traffic, but if you flow traffic directly to the offer, it will going to ruin your business. Okay, so let's see from where we can select the best product. Okay, to select the best product, I'm giving you five resources: clickbank.com, jvzoo, maxweb.com, maxbounty.com, and offerwall.com. You can find the products according to the niche you like. If you like to promote health and fitness products, you can look around these websites and you can find the best products in the market. And I'm just going to tell you about Clickbank. If you want to find the product on Clickbank, let's suppose I'm going to select health and fitness product. Okay, just look around the gravity of the product, flat belly fix. Its gravity is around 207.18. Just see if the gravity is more than 50, then it's okay to promote. Gravity means that the other affiliate who are promoting this product, they are earning commission on this. And uh, the other one is Organifi, Lean Belly, Breakthrough. You can select the product according to your own choice in any niche you want. But the top niches on the Clickbank are first one is health and fitness, and second one is e-business and e-marketing, and the third one is self-help. So these are the three best categories on Clickbank. Whatever you want to promote, you think you will promote that product best, you can select that category. Okay, so when you select your product, then what you have to do is you have to collect the emails. You don't have to send the traffic directly to the link, as in our case we have selected sorry let's suppose I'm selecting super affiliate system. Okay, and the average dollar per sale is $463 for one sale, and I'm going to copy its link. Okay, the page is loading. All right, so generate hop links. Okay, so this is the hop link for this product. You I've copied that. Okay, okay, I'm copying it again from here. Copy. Okay, now what we will do, we will paste it here, and later on I will use it. Okay, so you don't have to send the traffic directly to this link, because it will, if you are getting paid traffic, it will waste your money, and even if you are using a free traffic source, it will also waste your traffic. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the landing page. A landing page is very important between the link of your offer and what you do in landing page is that you first of all you collect the emails, that the traffic you are sending to the offer is not wasting. So number one thing is you collect the emails, and the second thing is you put the retargeting pixel. Okay, here I will write that you put the retargeting pixel on in the landing page. What it will do that the people who just came to your landing page and they just go away and they even didn't give you their email, you can retarget them on Facebook or using ad roll on different websites, and the retargeting is very cheap. And okay, so in my case, I'm using ClickFunnels. So on ClickFunnels, it is very easy to create a landing page. And what we have to do, we have to do two things. We have, first of all, we have to collect the emails. Okay, I'm gonna write the name is super system. Okay, build funnel, and we have to do two things. That first thing, we have to collect the emails, and second thing, what we have to do is we have to put the retargeting pixel in our landing page. So you can use the template according to your own choice. Like I'm gonna choose this template, and the thing I like of ClickFunnel is that it's very easy to use. It's just a drag and drop. And okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete these things because I don't want to distract my visitors. I just have to concentrate on collecting the emails. Okay, so okay, this one also. Okay, so on this page we can easily collect the emails. You can change anything you want over here very easily. Whatever product you are promoting, you can write the name according to your own choice, and you can write a little bit description about the product. And you can over here you can put the product image. Whatever you are promoting is just depend on you. And okay, so here we are collecting the emails. So what we have to do is we have to put our affiliate link over here, so that okay, where's our affiliate link? So here is our affiliate link. So we have to put our affiliate link over there, so that when the customer will submit this page, so he will go to our offer. So you have to design this page according to your own choice. And okay, so the other thing what we have to do, we have to put the tracking code over here. So in my case, I'm using Facebook retargeting, and I will put my Facebook retargeting pixel over here. Okay, so this is my Facebook ads account, and go to audience. What I will do, I will create a custom audience over here. Okay, create audience, and I will write here website traffic, and I will name it as uh, Clickbank offer. Okay, so the audience is done, and now what I will do is I will get the retargeting pixel of this audience. Okay, so here's the pixel, and I will paste the pixel in my landing page. So then I will save it, and the next step what I will do is uh, whatever traffic I will drive on this link. So whatever traffic is coming to this landing page, so you will be collecting the emails, and for emails you will do the email marketing accordingly. And uh, like this product, this is their affiliate page, and what they are doing is they are giving us some email marketing campaigns. Whatever autoresponder you are using, maybe you are using GetResponse or Aweber, you can use these email swipes, and put there as a day one email.
What's up, Clickbank affiliates, product owners?
So
got an exciting affiliate JV opportunity.
The day one email should be this one, and the day two will be this one. Day three, you can write accordingly. The day one, yeah, and the day two is in there, and the day three is also in there, and day four is also in there, and there are many email swipes. So you can put these emails in your autoresponder. And okay, so let's get back to our topic. Yeah, so the next step was email marketing, and whatever autoresponder you was using, you can do the email marketing accordingly. And the main thing is traffic. So after setting up this system, what you have to do, you have to drive the traffic to your landing page. So there are many traffic sources, like free traffic sources. If you are running your own blog, you can get the free traffic from there. And if you have Facebook followers, you can also get the traffic from your Facebook fan page. You can post on the Facebook fan page anything attractive to your product, and they will come to your landing page, and some of them will give you their emails, and the other you will retarget them. And if you have Instagram followers, you can also use your Instagram followers as a traffic, and likewise Twitter followers. And Quora is one of the best traffic source, because on Quora, what you have to do is you have to answer different questions, and according to your niche, if you are promoting health and fitness products, so what you will do, you will answer some health and fitness questions, and at the end of your answer, you will just put your link of your landing page, and you can also drive the traffic from Quora. And likewise Facebook group traffics, you can find some Facebook groups according to your offer. And like if you're promoting health and fitness products, you can find some health and fitness groups on the Facebook. And if you are promoting some online marketing products, you can find some marketing groups on Facebook. Or if you are having any other social media followers, you can drive free traffic from that. And the traffic is not a difficult thing. The main thing that you have to set up all of this system. And you can also buy the traffic, like you can buy the traffic from Facebook ads, and you can buy the traffic from Insta ads. You can also buy the traffic from Google ads. The solo ads is you can buy a very hot traffic from solo ads. Solo ads is converting very good nowadays, but you have to follow this technique. And influencer market is very hot, is also very hot nowadays. Facebook and especially Instagram influencers, you can get very cheap traffic from Instagram influencers. And if you are following this plan that I told you, that you have to collect the leads, and you have to install the retargeting pixel into your landing page. So like this, what will happen, you will grow your business. None of your click will be wasted. And likewise, you are driving traffic, your sales will increase. And for traffic source, there are many other paid traffic source as well, and I will keep sharing them with you with my other videos. Okay, friends, if you want to learn affiliate marketing professionally and want to go from $0 to $10,000 in 30 days, so the link is in the description. And if you like my video, so comment below, like it and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.